Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap Swainsboro, local and long-distance movers. Near me. We have a lot of experience helping people relocate over long distances, which is why we have a good and growing reputation in Swainsboro, Georgia. The team of professionals we assign to our clients pays attention to every detail. We help in sorting your belongings and transporting them. We have the right moving trucks, and we take preventive measures by wrapping delicate items and separating them from solid ones. We also secure your belongings inside our trucks. You can trust us with your belongings because we have done every necessary registration under appropriate authorities. We also have valid licenses and permits for long-distance relocations. We work with well-trained drivers. They drive carefully and deliver your belongings to your new location promptly. Our local moves are also very efficient. We operate in Swainsboro, Georgia, and we are always available to respond to your calls. Despite our powerful moving trucks and professional movers, our local moves are very affordable. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. Our customer service is exceptional. We work with you to ensure we cover all bases. Furthermore, we have insurance that covers risks during the move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Swainsboro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.